In the third section now we will talk about two other conditions, which are the puberphonia and phonasthenia. We will talk about what are these two conditions and how we can treat the puberphonia and phonasthenia. So first, the puberphonia, which is also known as mutational falsetto voice. So puberphonia, as the name shows, is from puberty, phonia, so mutational falsetto voice. Normal childhood voice has higher pitch. So in the childhood, the voice is high-pitched voice. So puberphonia in the normal childhood has a high voice pitch. The larynx maturation at puberty. So at puberty, what happens? The maturation of the larynx takes place. So the larynx become mature and the vocal cord lengthens. So as a result of maturation, there is lengthening of the vocal cords. In the childhood, the pitch of the voice is high. As the puberty is reached, there is maturation of the larynx, and with the maturation of the larynx, the vocal cord, they lengthen. Voice changes to lower pitch now. So high-pitched voice in the childhood now becomes the low-pitched voice. Exclusive to males. Exclusive to males, which is different. In this, the childhood high-pitched voice, no normal cord lengthening. In emotionally immature boys, usually they excessive fixation. Those boys who are emotionally unstable, they have more attachment to their mothers. So the shun to assume male responsibilities, and the physical and sexual development is normal. So these are the changes in childhood. The voice is high-pitched voice, but with the puberty, what happens? There is maturation of the larynx, lengthening of the vocal cord, and that changes the pitch of the voice. But in boys who are mentally not stable, who are immature, these boys usually they have more attachment to their mothers. They try to avoid to gain their responsibility as a male, but their physical and mental growth is normal, so they usually have this problem. Treatment is by the training to produce a low-pitched voice. They produce high-pitched voice, so they should train to produce low-pitched voice. Pressing thyroid prominence. Thyroid prominence, you press the thyroid prominence to train them to produce low-pitched voice. Backward and downward direction relaxes overstretched cord. Low tone voice can produce by the, this is known as Guzman's pressure test. Prognosis is good. Next condition, phonasthenia. It is weakness of voice due to fatigue of phonatory muscles. So phonatory muscles, when they become tired and fatigued, people who have voice abuse, or those who speak too much, talk too much, or they have the work that they need to produce lot of voice, that in that case the muscles that are responsible for phonation, they become tired and fatigued, and they lead to the condition known as phonasthenia. Abuse or misuse of voice following laryngitis also, inflammation of the larynx. Affected muscles are thyroarytenoid muscle, interarytenoid muscle, and both thyroarytenoid and interarytenoid can be affected. Easy fatigability of voice in patients who have phonesthenia. Phonesthenia, their indirect laryngoscopy can be done, and there are three important findings in phonesthenia. There is elliptical space between chords in weakness of thyroarytenoid. So we said it is due to weakness of the muscles thyroarytenoid and interarytenoid. In the muscles, when the thyroarytenoid are involved, there is elliptical space present between the chords. In triangular gap near posterior commissure in interarytenoid weakness, and there is keyhole glottis when both thyroarytenoid and interarytenoids are involved. Treatment is by the voice rest. Voice rest is very important because the fatigue of the muscle, once they get some rest, they can start working again. Vocal hygiene is another important method of treatment. Periods of voice rest after excessive use of voice. So a lot of people who are professional and they have to produce voice a lot, like singers and other people, they rest their voice for a period of time after they use it or abuse it or too much is talking. So that's an important method to give the voice rest to relax the fatigued muscles. So that was all about this section. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.